We are excited to launch the DevTools Chrome Extension for Velt SDK. This Chrome extension will help developers integrate Velt's collaborative features into their products more effectively. To get access to the DevTools extension, download and install it from the Chrome Web Store. Now to use the extension, go to your site where Velt is installed, open the Chrome Developer Tools, navigate to the Velt tab, and hit the Start button. You will now see a high-level overview of your app's information, including the current SDK version, API key, logged-in user, organization, current documents, and more. The next tab surfaces all the Velt data associated with the app's current state, like comments and their properties, and the data for other Velt features as well. Next is the Events tab. This view will show you a live feed of all the Velt events occurring on the current page, like when you create a comment. You can even filter by event type for more targeted debugging. The last tab is for Components. This will allow you to easily see which Velt components exist on the page and where they are located. You can also view the data associated with them. You can even search and run API commands from this tab. And that's the high-level overview of the Velt DevTools Chrome extension. Try it out and let us know what you think.